Charles. Happy ay Kuya Charles. Sure na Kuya Charles.
Unsa ulit balik to?
Are you sure?
Ikaw. Unsa mo?
Look at our sige to ni trainer, very pogi, very kind, very God-fearing, very understanding. Are you sure? Are you sure? Iyo crush sa namaligo sa iyo ka? Get flashbacks. Perfect naman si Kuya Charles. Napa siya pictures in church man. Kapag saya Napa siya pictures ni mo tong baby ka nga naka-bikini ra ka te. So see, do not settle for the bare minimum. What if he didn't make an album for you? Oh, sure ka na. Sure na. Kuya Charles, family man.
Ireto ko ati.
Wala na, ikaw ni Kuya Kyle. Kuya Charles na po, please.
Oh, nadunggalit ni mo. Ako na lang please.
Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine. Hero of salvation, purchased of God, washed in His Spirit, washed in the blood. This is my story. This is my song. Praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. Yes, this is my song. I'm praising my Savior all the day long. I'm praising my Savior all the day long. This is not only my story, this is all our story. Because each and every one of us has a story. Before the Lord saved us, where do you come from?
Teacher Aya, I miss you. Want to go here.
Hi, good morning. Study time ninyo guys. Sabi na tingog. Let's go!
Everyone dancing merrily in a new old fashioned. Oh, you will get a sentiment.
Oh, the blending. No, nag-blend yung voices nila.
Voices singing like a melody. The whole street bells of harmony. Here at the Christmas tree, have a happy
Kaya po yung maganda sa video ko. Kaya po yung ano? Buwa pa yung mother ni Kuya. Amo na. Saan ba tayo? Para pa pa pa. Para pa pa pa. Mother niya si Mo. Mother niya. Ay, Just come back to Honolulu, Maui, Waui, Maui, Waui. Hello po, may buntag sa inyo ha. Good day. And we hid as it were our faces from him. And we esteemed him not. He was despised, and we esteemed him not, and we esteemed. Surely he hath borne our griefs, surely he hath borne our griefs, and carried our sorrows. Surely he hath borne our griefs, and carried our sorrows. Let me transfer to dito.